Microsoft has officially announced the release of its new Recall feature. On November 22nd, the company unveiled this feature in a preview Windows 11 build for Copilot Plus PCs, which are powered by Qualcomm processors. Here's everything you need to know about the feature, its capabilities, and privacy measures. The Recall feature acts like a photographic memory for your PC. It allows users to search for previously accessed apps, documents, websites, or other important files based on vague clues or a timeline of past activity. For example, you can scroll through your digital timeline to find files, websites, or data you previously accessed, making it easier to locate important information without remembering exact details. The rollout of the Recall feature was delayed due to concerns over privacy and potential security breaches. Microsoft faced backlash over fears that it could act as built-in spyware. In response, the company made important privacy-related changes to the feature. User data recorded by the feature will now be encrypted, ensuring that only the PC's owner has access to the archived information. Third parties will be unable to view this data. Microsoft has introduced additional privacy protections. The feature will not store sensitive information, such as passwords, credit card details, or personal identification numbers. If Recall detects sensitive data, it will avoid taking snapshots of such information. Users can also pause or delete specific screenshots, and all saved screenshots will remain only on the user's PC, never shared with Microsoft servers. In addition to the Recall feature, Microsoft has also implemented various security enhancements, including the ability to temporarily pause screenshot saving. Users have more control over their data, with the option to delete individual screenshots while maintaining privacy.